Good morning, Paul Georgi from Allendale. It's June 15th, Wednesday morning. Well, the conversation today in the grain market's going to be, is it demand? Is it outside markets that are going to affect us? First of all, the outside markets have got a lot of activity here overnight. The dollar is up sharply as we speak. It's up about 88 points. Crude oil's down $1.78. Gold's down over $10. And economic news has got the stock market off quite a bit from their close yesterday. So that could weigh on the grain markets and weigh on the investor's mind of liquidating assets in order to possibly meet margin calls. So that's one factor that we're looking at today. Another factor is we're getting just talk about demand. Demand here overnight. Japan is increasing their purchases of feed wheat. South Korea is looking for 600,000 tons of feed wheat. They're also buying and have bought 110,000 tons of feed wheat for September delivery. We've also got Taiwan that's rejected a tender for corn because prices are too high. In the United States itself, the Eastern Corn Belt basis is still very strong. However, we are hearing that several ethanol plants are going to shut down because they can't get enough corn, or the price is too high, the profitability is not in line. So at this point, we haven't heard any confirmation of that, but it's being talked about here this morning. Weather, on the other hand, is positive to crop growth as well. The rain that's moving across, talking to producers, even though they still got some soybeans to plant, they are in that catch-22 situation. Do they need some rain for the crop that's in the ground? They'd prefer to get the planting done, so there's a battle there. But in general, most of the crop is in the ground, as we've seen on the USDA report on Monday. The rain systems that's moving across the Midwest and will continue to give us some spotty showers here for the balance of the week is certainly ideal in most cases. There is some locally heavy amounts that is causing some issues, but in general a positive thing, and that's what the trade's looking at. They're looking at the old adage, rain makes grain, at this point in time. On the technical side of things, we're sitting right on the cusp here of a possible sell-off with Dees corn. 675 I think is a critical number there today, and then you get down to the 660 area. May soybeans got a 100-day moving average. Yesterday it touched it at around the 1350 area, and the wheat yesterday's low 714 critical area as well. So those things we're watching technically. The positive thing on that should hold us together here is this June 30th report, just 2 weeks away, and what's the government going to show us? Are they going to take some acres away? Are they going to give us more acres planted? That's the big question, the big concern as we move forward here. In the livestock trade, cutout values were off in the choice, down 18 cents, up 92 cents in the select. Pork cutout values were up 64 cents. So looks like we're seeing a little improvement in product demand, which should help cattle prices. However, the fact is in the futures market, if we see the stock market starting to tumble here a little bit, that psychology may carry over into the cattle pit, and I think that will have a big impact on, will the packers give us another $1 or $2 higher this week, or will they be able to buy cattle $1 or $2 lower? And that's where the question is right now. We got a cattle on feed report on Friday. The major concern there, or number that we're watching, is the placement number. If placements are going to be down right now, we believe that they can be down as much as 7%. Some others in the trade think it could be more than that. So number to be watching on Friday's cattle on feed report. In the pork complex, things we're watching there is the spreads, the nearby versus the deferreds. We're seeing bull spreads work, which is a constructive sign, showing that we've got some tighter supplies of hogs as we move into the summer months here, and has some positive footing there. So we'll see if those spreads can continue to work today. If you got any questions, don't hesitate to give us a call here at Allendale at 800-262-7538. We wish you a very successful trading day. We'll talk to you tomorrow morning. Thank you.